Kurumirira mucemanio uria urehire hamwe abunge, maseneta, magavana na atongoria angi a ikiro itiganite aria manyitaga mbaru munini wa President William Ruto thiini wa mucemanio uria utabaneirio mucii kwa Ruto mwena wa Karen guku Nairobi. Atongoria ne marutire murugamo wao wigie riboti ya BBI thutha wa gukorwo magayukanite na miahu iri ya aria maranyitaga mbaru na aria marareganaga na riboti ino. Mucemanio uyu ugikinyaniria guthie na mbere kuhinyiriria kugia na miario ya kurehe urumwe mendekithia-ini matiganite ma riboti ino na maria makoretwo matuthurite ndugamano gatagati ka anyitite miahonge itiganite. Uwario na thengia wa kamiti ya bururi igie gukinyaniria riboti ino ya BBI gukorwo ihinyiriirie ihinda ni ithiru ria gutabania BBI mogaruruku.
That there is room for us to improve this document further. And we have stated categorically and respectfully that it is never too late to do the right thing. We believe that there are a couple of outstanding issues. The judiciary is still uncomfortable, for example, with the judiciary ombudsman and the manner in which it's appointed.
Iguru ria maya Ruto na Aruna kene mahinyiriirie ni maiganaire na makinya maria makinyukitio hari kugacirithia riboti ino kuma riria aruguririo nyumba-ini ya Bomas of Kenya guku makiendekithia kumurikwo weru kwa maundu mangi matatu ari hamwe na kwamurwo kwa nyabara wa ruhonge rwa magoti, kuongererwo kwa gituro kia atumia bunge-ini ya bururi ta uria kwendekithitio bunge-ini ya Senate, undu umwe na kamiti ya IEBC irekwo yamure uria iturwa 70 cia ubunge ikugayanio kaunti-ini itiganite hamwe na magi.
So the proposal we are making is that apart from the 47 women elected in Senate, we should have 47 women elected in the National Assembly. And with that, we should be able to reduce the number of nominations. And our target, the current proposal in BBI, would take Parliament all the way towards 600 members. This proposal will make Parliament, we will cut almost 60 or 70 members if we adopt this proposal.
Wakwiyumirie muno riria endekithia ria gutiriria kura ya mawoni makiendaga gatabanio hamwe na githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2022 niguo kuhonokeria bururi mabilioni ma mbeca iria ingihuthika mutaratara-ini uyu no ria kamiti ya bururi ya BBI rongoreirie tabanio mwaka ukite.
We will support the proposal by CIOC in Parliament to provide a mechanism in the referendum where Kenyans can vote on issues, not just a yes-no referendum.
Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Dr William Ruto na Aruna riu magituthura githagathago kingi kigie riboti ino ya BBI. Riu kiuria kinene ari kana nimegukinyaniria riendekithia riri ria gutiriria kura ya mawoni nginya githurano-ini gia 2022. Giribotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Maura Wagunya.